Meet Elise, our founder, and see if she can surprise us with some fun facts about her.
Can I say like that I was arrested, or should I not say that? So when I am not practicing law or leading this firm, I think to myself, what is it I love to do? One is garden. I absolutely love gardening. And we live in Washington out on the water. And so I can garden with the water in the background and eagles flying by. I'm kind of a nature fanatic.
Cool. And then what's one fun fact that might surprise people about you?
Can I say like that I was arrested, or should I not say that?
What do you think?
Well, maybe I could think of
You're turning to.
I mean,
I didn't know that.
okay, I'll try it and we'll see. Yeah. Yeah, I could do two different ones. Okay, I have two fun facts that I suspect many of you do not know. One, when I was young, 18, in college, I'm from New Orleans. In New Orleans, we got to drink at 18. Then I go to college in a state, they don't get to drink at 18. Well, I don't know that I fully appreciated the reality of that. And so I ended up in legal trouble as a freshman in college. And you ask yourself, what in the world? Why is my attorney telling me this? Well, it has been such an interesting thing for my family because I have had to take the bar in 3 states, Louisiana, Minnesota, and Washington. And each time I get to go through this, even though it was expunged and it's not on my record, I have to go through this with the bar. It was so fascinating for my children to be able to watch their 40-year-old mother have to address something she did as an 18-year-old. What an amazing life lesson for them to see the mistakes you make, you're still dealing with sometimes later on. I mean, it's definitely been the butt of many family jokes how I've had to go through this 3 different times. But I mean, sometimes what you do at 18 still follows you. And so, live and learn. But a second thing that I think you might not know, and it's another kind of joke for us, is when my children, especially my sons, got into high school, one of the things I did, a lot of parents talk about, sex education and all this. Well, we did child support worksheets because I wanted them to understand what the cost was of having a child. And that was my way of really helping them understand as young people that there were real implications to certain behaviors, and that having a child as a young person would be a lifelong expense. And that kind of spoke to them. They all had jobs. They all worked hard for their money. And when you do that child support worksheet and see what it can be over the life of a child, it's pretty sobering.